I needed more outlet plugs and USB ports at my workstation, so I gave the POWRUI, I hope I'm saying that right, a try. It has 6 extra outlet plugs plus 2 USB ports, and as you just saw, it's got a nightlight, 3 different settings for that. And it's working great for what I needed it for. As you can see, there are 2 plugs on each side, 2 in the front, and it's been working great. I highly recommend.
Okay, yeah, so here you go, y'all. All I had to do was pull this plate off of it. I know it's upside down, but that's how the electrician put my plugs in. But boom, and then you do this, and the light will come on. Again, it gets dimmer. You know what I'm saying? When I was plugging things in, okay, what do I want to unplug? This one. So when you go to put things in, oh well, it came on last time, but it usually light up when you plug things in. It did it the first time, but yeah, I love it. Never turns back on.
Señores, esto está súper. Aquí queda con este tornillito, queda adherido a la pared completamente. Tiene una luz que se apaga que se enciende cuando se apagan las luces automáticamente, y lo puedes hacer también manual. Tiene menos a más. Está súper bueno. Se lo súper recomiendo.
Till